Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midin de adwoa searching and then the day kan ya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be your notification and sa the news e de betum bia we benye bia tie ana se we benye bia hwe e GCN page ha 2024 is just around the corner a Ghana yeba beto aba ye ne say 7th December 4 years bia yeto aba ewo Ghana hanom na ende would wani echrem ewo NPP campa NPP leaders bebree na omo eyo ani so omo contest for flag bearership position ewo NPP party ni mu na sempenifu ye kan na ebi ne ye honorable Kennedy Akompreko Japan honorable Alan Kwadwo Chairman na afenso ura efriye akoto chese enkofo a omo air position de bebree na eye ura Alan Cash ana ye nemi so ye trade minister ewo NPP amayoko ni mu wey nanim say opese obeye president coming 2024 enya sem keto akra ne campaign team no mo start omo ye adwuma dedenden kra na omo de omo ani kirem ewo northern region Tamale so mo kwakoye program omo ko aprobo se next year ba beto abeya opese o contest de na chese wa start in adwuma term enam so kra na wa resign as a trade minister na asema beto dwa ne say abro omo ekoto ewo northern region no omo convoys a omo de ekoi no bako etimi abo papa bi enanere afofia nto ata oba no kra ede efi na eyare ho sem ye papa ye tie se ne nsem no esi ekoi
na yenko ensem fufuro mu MPP amanyuko no ensu guso a wobobo ho no abeto aba ede ayi won Frank Atufo ba bedi eye omampani Nana Danko Akufo ado ade se Frank Atufo mamanyuko no ne mfiempino ene aduonu enan wobehwese bia mfinhia nwotwe a wono madi na amban mu no ometimi atoa so anase ebisi womfom na womo ayi wonti press Frank Atufo adwane baako ene Ira Alan John Kwadwo Kyerematen se meka sei one na mua bapro ne esi ahene eba wanyuko no mu di nkomo a nano ene atifido mantam kropon Tamale mu nene arose mu asi enkra eba ekire se kaya hodo a edi Ira Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen achi emu baako a mususu se oka ho bi akwa fa pani bi ne yere so ama oba ne kra de wato na nanom wonse do bema no so pradi mu odin pa na asam no kwan fa so esi ye no nipa baako asam ni si nanim ni din ene Yakubu Abdullahi wona nyanto wase ekirikire mu ekiradom kasebo na yentie se de esisi ye.
We just witnessed an accident this morning around agri traffic, a very terrible accident which was caused by Alan Kyerematen's convoy. A lady with her husband on a motorbike, I think they were going to their workplace. And this convoy, Alan, the car that hit the lady, is a last of the convoy that was going with Alan Kyerematen. So he was late. So he was rushing to meet the other convoy, and unfortunately, he knocked down a woman with her husband on a motorbike. I think they were going to their workplace. They were on the road. I think the traffic is on green for them to pass, so they were going their normal way, and this reckless driver came and knocked them down. I think he's a convoy from Alan Kyerematen. So we are appealing to the politicians to slow when they are in town, they should slow their convoy. They should slow it down. They should drive like normal cars, because if you are far away you can be driving like convoy, but if you are in the middle of the town, you should drive like a normal driver.
Eti abantia Yakubu Abdullahi asem ni sinanim ne ebomoden se yensa ebeka hopes na doye ana mpanimfo a wodom ni Ira Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen nam ne bi na yebisa sanye bia ho asem no etise puso ahoma na se ebabi omo nam no ahoma no guso popo yensa ka omo a ye ne omo ebeto aso na yahwe
ania yensa kan wonum yi ekuo ye fra wonom Concerned Drivers Association na chese wonom de omo ahyenkafo na efa wonom
kibe skabe na ade bai ku free take eba skabe na ade bai a wakotobon tesa mo de bia yam boabu amanu mfa mu nko jimi de no omo tesa yam pa bibi kakra ma mo na mu tese ya lie na misi mi bisa NDC fo na yesi afa musika ne se debt restructuring ho anya ye me pa cho akiki in ana. Why are we doing this to Ghana? All because we want somebody to come and spend 4 years. I don't know, I can say, I admit to America, say 4 years, need to intro to me, fine, yes. Chairman, that's a Ghana for adrenaline. Tiaso, we end this near we are Nipo, and this in this year Nipanamon.
Oh, mo yɛ
And
nipa
this
biem.
new
Mo
year
nyinaa yɛ
Nipa, what
mmoa.
Nipana was the woman beyond contesting. No, you didn't know what America was it there be no 4 years no grand so no to me find actually. He admitted,
Ɛmfrɛ ɔmo nipa biem. Ɔmo yɛ mmoa.
sir, 4 years now, more day no Mahamano, on to me find actually, but I'm over try. Then to say, the Mahaman say, I tried you. Get the neighbor tried you, Ada. I couldn't hear me sorry na me ba. Me mama ni bre na me bo government way abasu say onya na djuma dey no to me continue with the good leadership no is because onipa na say enye ye MPP amba ye de neighbor no ye hu ne pain. Chairman, some hama beba pa de sabi bread ya sanka me continue. Epu because
Hey,
this
hey,
man
chairman.
just say
Ase bɛ
oh
na
yeah,
ɔka.
oh jai serious pa.
Akɔti nwu sɛsɛ.
Ah, me say my hama beba de anka me continue
Hey,
epu
dabi
sabi.
dabi dabi dabi
Oh,
abɔ
die.
dabi.
Ẹdi ya kila ye jira ya wo no
Dabi.
no ye bi o.
Hey,
Ẹdi ya na ẹdi ye.
yɛ wo yɛ mani wiye yɛ. Mpatsɛ wiye
Oh,
abɔ.
die.
Abɔ.
Kila die ni sike di obo aye propaganda. Two, ade ani po en start ye ne akostart akoti obi sika afiri ni baby. En na nye sika bi aye tie afiri baby. Me pacho. Usika down ye nkoti bi mfiri so ye nka. Yes say interest yanka 2023 we ubenya no e na onsanye den enka. Enti yankoti usika unkolusu ska o baby yet as it stands. Please, let's get that clear. And then the final thing, and they say, as we speak, Bank of Ghana will be paying pensioners. And let me put this one too across. They came and said, say, the stabilization fund now is setting up for this program. No, it is to aid certain things. One more insurance premiums now soon. Now, almost sign up to this program. No, the money should be available to pay them. Pensioner or the pension in there. Yamfa ni sika anye den emma no. Enti eba the same. Ghana for eba the same na mama NDC for ka kire say obi atwe me say me hu yamo say so oye police news soldier news den na NDC for the ne propaganda. So wahwere ni sika. Ade a yen start ye we ye den hwere sika wo. Ghana for mama yen careful. NDC only wants power, so they are doing exactly what will win them power.
But fellas,
Yeah.
say no. The communicators no. The don't know so why are they not talking?
Why MPP communicators now?
Yeah.
They are busy fighting for Alan Baumia, Akoto Sarene Ade.
Oh,
Juma
that's a
na
problem,
Bema
man.
or candidate na winning
That's
election.
a
They are
problem.
no more tongue.
That's a problem,
That's
man.
why I keep saying so. Yeah, baby, on make us see dark horses. So what you say? Because
Yeah,
say Baumia be winning, chairman. Ekufu the record no diko.
of course.
Kennedy Japan be winning. Ekufu the record no diko. Alan Kremanti be winning. Ekufu the record no diko.
Now, Con, so the communication, Con, is that his name?
Why
KON.
communication director now.
Yeah, why is he not coming to say anything about it? Because
But you know, me, I was thinking Honorable Richard would have been a bit, but let's watch them. So I feel almost summer starting on my, so let's watch them.
It's been like a week. More than trust, nobody's saying nothing.
Yeah. That is the problem. I say me koka na me party for no bu afu me. Mo bet now na nkrofo ya ye did that sana na
I
fe
know.
yaba.
Oh my, this social media, but be all
And son na mo baba be yi na sabe yeso a ye ti social media me sabato wan no aya no pokum ye baba be ka bi no so na ye to ye di asu so.
Samo.
Mo asem na mo nkoka. Chairman, that is the part that hurts me about my party MPP.
It's sad,
Asem
man.
na yen koton because they be American. Nobody from MPP is winning an election if we keep bastardizing Akufo-Addo's record, because that is what all of you are running on. That was why I was surprised. Honorable Chairman was quick to go and throw it under the bus or his own ambition. Right, kiki. In this say, oh, on the Ghana for Kokasa record Ben Adeko. You are the trade minister.
Well, they need to
Record Ben
start talking.
Adeko.
They need
We
to
have to
start
be
talking
careful.
because this is not good.
We have to be careful. Chairman, omo nka okoka so ayesi empewasem. Okoka na o no didi atem. I mean didi atem saying. Yeni akwasi ampafuo tu kwan ya gini say bodamani tia. Chairman, last na me ka say me say. Obi a onda you but what said I say wada. Ubetumi enya ne no.
Of course,
Chairman, Obi a what said that say wada. Ubetumi enya ne no. On view, and that is what NDC is doing. It's not about coat and tie. MPP Fue. It's not about